Hello guys, so as you can see here, that's the amazing app, and this app is useful for the drawing purpose, or this is the extended version of our canvas app. So let's see, if you want to draw the arrow, so just click the arrow and you can draw like this. See, amazing. If you want to draw the triangle or suppose circle, so click on the circle and you can draw the circle like this. Okay, now you can add this thing in the layer, so click on the add layer like this, and now you can draw another thing like this, and now click on add layer again, and let's click on the select layer, and you will see here you have two layers, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the app that can store your layers. Okay, and if you want to just clear this, so click on the clear layer, or just select the layer like this and click on clear layer like this. Okay, so that's the overall app that use the extension, and that extension name is canvas layers. Okay, that's the extended version of our canvas component. So we will learn how we can use this extension to extend the functionality, or extend or do some creative thing using this extension. Okay, so tomorrow we will learn, and tomorrow we will create one amazing app to use this extension. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.